Today, our first topic is net municipal value. We know about gross municipal value. Already we have done it for our calculation of gross annual value. What is municipal value? Municipal value, I have already told you that municipal value is the value fixed by the local authority of a house. एक घर का जो म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू वहाँ का लोकल अथॉरिटी कॉरपोरेशन हो म्यूनिसिपैलिटी हो डिसाइड करते हैं उसे हम लोग म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू कहते हैं. उसका दो पार्ट है, एक ग्रॉस म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू, एक नेट म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू. नाउ net municipal value is considered for only the house situated in the metro city. In case of metro city, which city are called metro cities? That is Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. In your Indian map you can see that Kolkata is in eastern side, Delhi is in the northern side, Mumbai is in western side, and Chennai is in southern side. So in four sides there are four cities which are we called metro cities. In case of metro cities, this concept of net municipal value is required, because in case of metro cities, if the house is situated at metro cities, municipal tax is calculated on net municipal value. Remember that for the calculation of gross annual value for all cities including metro cities, gross municipal value is required. But for calculation of municipal tax, if municipal tax is not given, amount of municipal tax is not given, only the percentage of municipal tax is given, in that case for other cities municipal tax is calculated on gross municipal value. But in case of metro cities, house situated at metro cities, there is a provision for net municipal value of which municipal tax is calculated. For this reason, if in the question gross municipal value and net municipal value is not given, in that case you have to do one thing. If gross municipal value is given and municipal tax is given as a rate, as a percentage, in that case you have to calculate net municipal value. So for this, number one point is conversion of gross municipal value to net municipal value. Remember that in the question, if the house is situated at metro cities, what we have to do? First you have to check where the house is situated. If the house is situated at metro cities and if amount of municipal tax is not given, then the provision for net municipal value comes. Otherwise, provision for net municipal value is not comes in your part. So in case of where gross municipal value is given and the house is situated at metro cities and the percentage of municipal tax is given, in that case you have to convert gross municipal value into net municipal value. Another way is conversion of net municipal value to gross municipal value. Now if in the question net municipal value is given, then you have to calculate gross municipal value, because for the calculation of annual value, gross annual value, it is needed, it is required, gross municipal value is required. So for the first case, that means gross municipal value is given, you have to calculate net municipal value. What do you have to do? What is the process of conversion? Conversion of gross municipal value to net municipal value, this is a formula. What is the formula? First of all, if gross municipal value is given, from that a 10% reduction is available for repair and renewal purpose only for metro cities. When you are calculating net municipal value from gross municipal value, for repair and allowance 10% is reduced. Okay, now if there is any water tax or sewage tax, if there is any water tax or sewage tax, that is to be calculated on net municipal value. This portion is very important because you don't know net municipal value, but you have to calculate this water tax and sewage tax on this net municipal value. Now after reduction of this, you will get net municipal value. Now I am giving one example for this. Remember that and do it in your exercise copy. This is an example of how to calculate net municipal value from gross municipal value. Here is a question. What is the question? Question is, Mr. X has a house property in Kolkata. Now I have underlined here because where the house is situated. House is situated at Kolkata. That means house is situated at metro city. So concept of net municipal value arise here. What is given? Gross municipal value is given. So for the annual value calculation, gross municipal value is required. Gross municipal is given in the question. Fair rent, standard rent, rent per month. Now municipal tax. If municipal tax is given in amount, in that case no question of net municipal value is arise. But municipal tax is given as a percentage. So you have to calculate net municipal value. Here it is another thing, that is sewage tax. Sewage tax is at the rate of 5%. Question क्या है? Question है compute net annual value. तो नेट एनुअल वैल्यू कंप्यूट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? पहले फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट नेट म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू, बिकॉज नेट एनुअल वैल्यू के लिए ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू से म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स को माइनस करना पड़ता है, लेकिन म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स इज़ नॉट हियर एंड द हाउस इज सिचुएटेड एट मेट्रो सिटी. सो फॉर द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स द नेट म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू इज रिक्वायर्ड. So first step, you have to calculate the net municipal value. Now in the question, gross municipal value is given. It is written as GMV. Here gross municipal value is 87,500. So from here, first you have to reduce repair and allowance at the rate of 10%. This is rule. Okay, you have to remember this. This is the rule. You have to reduce 10% of gross municipal value. Now 87,500 का 10%, ये 8750, this is 78,750. If there is no sewage tax or no water tax, in that case this will be your net municipal value. But in the question it is given that there is a sewage tax, so you have to reduce this sewage tax, and this sewage tax will be calculated on net municipal value. But you don't know net municipal value, you have to calculate. So this portion, this 78,750, it includes two things. One is net municipal value and another is sewage tax. These two things are included here. If we think net municipal value is 100% and sewage tax is 5% of net municipal value, so NMV is 100% and sewage tax is 5%. So this becomes 105%. So 78,750 is become 105%. So when we calculate sewage tax, 78,750 should be divided by 105 and it should be multiplied by 5 because sewage tax is 5%. As you have done in profit and loss appropriation account after charging such commission. Okay, so this is actually 105%. So 5 by 105 करके हम लोगों को sewage tax मिल गया 3750, and from 78,750 we have reduced this 3750 and ये net municipal value comes 75,000. So first step is complete, that is net municipal value is 75,000. Second step, now we are we came to the question, that is, first we have to calculate the gross annual value and then we have to calculate net annual value. So for computation of gross annual value, you know the formula. For step 1, gross municipal value given in the question 87,500, fair rent 80,000, this is also given, standard rent 90,000, this is also given. Step 2 में क्या जाना है? Reasonable expected rent. Now reasonable expected rent as per formula, higher of GMP and fair rent, subject to maximum of standard rent. We have already done this in our previous classes. So higher of these two is 87,500 and which is lower than standard rent. So we have to take this 87,500 as reasonable expected rent. Annual rent given in the question 8,000 per month. So 8,000 into 12, 96,000. 96,000 is our annual rent. In case of step 3, gross annual value is higher of step 2. So higher of step 2, this is the higher portion. So this is the gross annual value. So we have calculated gross annual value. Now we will calculate the net annual value. Gross annual value we have calculated 96,000. From here, two tax will be deducted. One is municipal tax, another is sewerage tax. Now municipal tax should be calculated on municipal value. The house is situated in Kolkata, so this will be calculated on net municipal value. Now net municipal value is 75,000. Sorry, I have 10 is less here. So 75,000 into 10%. This is the municipal tax. And here another tax is there, that is sewerage tax, that is 3750. So total deduction available for municipal tax and sewerage tax is 11,250 and net annual value will come to 84,750. This is the one part, that is when from gross municipal value you have to calculate net municipal value and then net annual value. Now second part is conversion of net municipal value to gross municipal value. If in the question net municipal value is given and the house is situated in the metro cities, in this case you always have to calculate gross municipal value, because for the calculation of annual value, gross municipal value is required. So for the calculation of net municipal value, here is a formula just opposite the previous formula. In previous formula, what we have done, from gross municipal value, first deducted 10% of gross municipal value for repair purpose, and from there we have deducted water tax or sewerage tax. Here just opposite, from the net municipal value plus we have to add water tax or sewerage tax on net municipal value. Here it comes a figure, I have denote it as A, and यहाँ पे हम लोग और ऐड करेंगे 1/9 ऑफ ए. वहाँ पे 10% डिडक्ट किए थे, अभी यहाँ पे 1/9 ऐड करेंगे. क्यों करेंगे? देखो 100 का 10% जब हम लोग माइनस करते हैं तो वह 90% आ जाता है. ओके, तो अभी हम लोग अगर इस 90% को 100% में लाना चाहते हैं तो ये कितना था? ये था 10/100. ओके, जब यहाँ पे हम लोग करेंगे, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे 90/10. 90/10 हम लोगों को ऐड करना है, इसलिए यहाँ पे 1/9 हम लोग ऐड करते हैं. तुम लोग अभी के लिए सब याद रखो कि ऐड 1/9 ऑफ ए हो गया. इसको ऐड करने के बाद आ गया क्या? ग्रॉस म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू. हाँ, हियर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल. मिस अनु गुप्ता हैज़ अ हाउस प्रॉपर्टी एट मुंबई. Mumbai means metro city, and here house is situated in metro city. Net municipal value is given. Fair rent 75,000, standard rent 85,000, rent per month is 7,000. Municipal tax at the rate of 10%. Here it is water tax at the rate of 3%. Compute net annual value. For the calculation of net annual value, first of all you have to compute gross municipal value. You have to calculate the amount of municipal tax and of course the amount of water tax. Now how we will compute this comes in the next page. For the computation of gross municipal value, first we have to calculate the gross municipal value. Now in the question, net municipal value is given, that is 72,000. From here you have to first add water tax at the rate of 3%. Water tax at the rate of 3% means 72,000 ka 3%. It comes 2160. Okay. After adding this two, it comes 74,1060. Next, add करना क्या है? 1/9 for repair. 1/9 of which? When 1/9 of this 74,160. 74,160 इसके 1/9 तुमको कैलकुलेट करना है. तो कैलकुलेट करने के बाद ये अमाउंट कितना आया? 8240 and the figure comes 82,400. This is the amount of gross municipal value. Now the steps for computation of net annual value. For the calculation of net annual value, first step, you know that gross municipal value we have already calculated it. Fair rent 75,000, standard rent 85,000. These two are given in the question. From step 1, step 2, you know reasonable expected rent, that is higher of gross municipal value and fair rent. Higher कौन सा है? 82,400. Okay, but it subject to maximum of standard rent, मतलब ये standard rent को exceed नहीं करेगा. नहीं किए हैं तो यही हमारा step 2 में reasonable expected rent हो जाएगा 82,400. Now annual rent. Annual rent given in the question 7,000 per month. So 7,000 into 12, 84,000. कितना आया? 84,000. Okay. Higher of gross annual value में higher of step 2, that is 84,000. अभी म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स लेस करना है. म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स कितना होगा? देखो, म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स हाउस इज सिचुएटेड एट मुंबई, सो इट शुड बी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन नेट म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू. नेट म्यूनिसिपल वैल्यू इज गिवन 72,000, उसके ऊपर 10% 7,200. एंड वाटर टैक्स ऑल्सो टू बी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन net municipal value, that is 3% of 72,000. It comes 2160. So total deduction for municipal tax and water tax is 9360. Okay, after deducting this from gross annual value, you will get net annual value 74,640. So this is how we calculate net annual value in case of metro cities.